Good morning, everyone. This is Rajkumar Shivare, PGT Mathematics at MLZS Jhansi. Students, today we are going to start new topic from definite integrals, which is based on properties of definite integrals. In this, we will learn about different properties of definite integral and questions based on these properties. So first of all, let us start with properties. So dear student, first property is 0 to a integration fx dx. 0 to a fx dx, this can be written as 0 to a ft dt. In this, what we have done, we have only changed the variables. So there is no effect on the question if we change the variable. For example, integration 0 to 1 x dx, the result will be 1 by 2. If we change the variable 0 to 1 t dt, or we can write 0 to 1 y dy, in both cases result will be same, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, so this is our first property. Now second property is a to b fx dx. If we interchange the limit, देखिए मैंने लिमिट चेंज कर दी है b to a, then a minus sign will come in front of the integration. So this is the second property. Third property is a to c fx dx can be divided into sub intervals a to b fx dx plus b to c fx dx. So we can divide the integration into sub integral parts. Okay, for example, 0 to 2 x dx can be written as 0 to 1 x dx plus 1 to 2 x dx. इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं. Now next property, that is property number 4. In this is the next property. This is very important property. 0 to a fx dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. देखिए यहाँ पे x fx है, हम यहाँ पे लिमिट we can minus this x from this limit, upper limit a minus x. Now question based example of this property is 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx can be written as 0 to pi by 2 sin pi by 2 minus x, that is a minus x. Now we know that sin pi by 2 minus x will be cos x. अब इनका integrate this, sin x का integration minus cos x pi by 2 and put the limit, we will get 1. Here integration of cos x is sin x, put the limit, we will get 1. So in both cases result is same. It means this is true. We can apply this property in this way. Now next one is minus a to a integration fx dx. This property having two result. First is this will becomes twice integration of 0 to a fx dx if fx is a even function. If fx is a even function, then the result will be this. And this integration is equal to 0 if f of x is odd function. So students, let me introduce you what is even and what is odd. Even function, if f of minus x equal to fx, then fx is even. Example ये रहा इसका एक. And odd function, f of minus x equal to minus fx. Example of this is sin x. Okay. After this is the sixth property. 0 to 2a fx dx equal to twice of 0 to a fx dx if f of 2a minus equal to fx, and 0 if f of 2a minus equal to minus fx. And here is the last property, that is this. This is the last property. Okay, a to b, a plus b minus x. Okay students, thank you very much, have a nice day.